Okay, ready for adding game?
Yeah, ready. Start the number.
Everyone had to say the same number. Everyone had to say the number at the same time. Ready? Okay, set, go. 5.
5. Why? 5.
And we add it up.
5 plus what?
5 plus 5 plus 5.
Oh, 15. I win.
Okay, play again.
Yeah, I have a hard one. No. 8 down.
Okay, ready?
No, you could not pass 10.
Ready?
27. 4. 4. 4.
Ready?
24. 24. I said 24.
Okay, we'll do it again. Ready?
24.
I'm going to say a different number. Ready?
Me.
Okay, set, go.
1,000. 3.
What?
3.
3? How'd you get 3?
1 plus 1 plus 1.
No, but everyone had to say a different number. Okay, ready? Okay.
5.
Ready? 2.
5. 5? No, I just said 5. Or you say again.
Okay, 3. Now Wawa's
5.
turn. Wawa's turn. You gotta say a number.
Oh, 1,000. I want 1,000. It's 1,005. 6. 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000. No, I didn't say it. Okay, you lose. You are so dumb. You lose.
How
No.
the 2 numbers? 2 people play. Me and Wawa play. No, me and Hugi play. I say one number, you say one number.
No, he, and me play only. No, me.
Okay, we all say one number. Ready? Okay, set, go.
And it goes like this.
Ready? Okay, set, go. 4.
5. 1,000. I love 1,009.
Oh, Hugi won. 1,009.